This will be a quick review of this SOFIRN SP35T Flashlight. This is just to change the modes while it's on, but it does tell you the battery. That'll go red if it's low, and you charge it back here, whatever. And yeah, super low, low, medium, high, super high, strobe. You can, I think it remembers whichever one you had on last, and then that's what the flashlight, I don't know, there's a bunch of different settings for it. It's like a beacon mode too. Yeah. But yeah, I like this thing. You can still go to super high mode.